Hi YouTube, thanks for joining me today. Today we are going to do a video on this thing. I've been asked how I stick my photos into my bullet journal, and I use this basically. I print up these photos. This is very simple to do. If you go and look at Ali Brown's video, she shows you how she does it. And basically all I do is I use a free app on my phone to turn them into these little sort of Polaroids. To give you an idea on size, that's about how big they are. I've also got some slightly bigger ones. You know, it's sort of potluck as to what size I managed to get. I haven't quite figured that out because the apps don't tell you how big the actual picture is going to be. I then print these up on photo paper that I bought in Poundland. Okay, 7x5 sheets. 2 seconds and I will find a pack. I've got some somewhere. There you go, this is what it is. Home Office glossy photo paper, 7x5, 40 sheets for £1. Okay, I can get 6 photos off of one of these. So I make a collage up. Well, I turn them into Polaroids. Put them into a collage, and then I print them up on one of these, and then I cut them out. Okay, that's nice and simple. If you want to see how I do that, I can do a video, but it will be a while because I don't stick a lot of photos in. So what I do is I wait until I have 6 to go, and then I print up so that I don't waste paper, because I like that. I hate wasting things. So yeah, so I'm going to show you basically how I use these. Now, if you only put pictures and bits in once in a blue moon, you don't really need one of these. Okay, this is a thing. This is a doohickey. If you want to stick pictures in, that works just as well. So there's one of them. You know, tape runner, a glue stick, anything like that. They work just as well as one of these. So what does this do? Well, this basically turns regular paper into a sticker. It's quite clever. This is the 500, and that's to do with the size that it goes through at. Okay, I don't know an awful lot about it. I actually got mine secondhand on eBay, and it's just because I'm dreadful and I want things. So what you do is you place your photo in picture side up, okay, and you put it in, and I'm going to try and do a couple together next to each other so that they go through. And as you push it in, you'll feel like a little bit of resistance, and that's where the tape runs out. And then you literally just turn the dial on the side, and you can see it coming out the back. So I get a couple more ready. You have to be careful doing 2 at a time though, because I've done this before and ended up sticking the damn things together, which is a bit annoying. And there you go. See, as you can see, it works like a printer really. There's a little tear off bit along there, but it's only plastic, okay, so it's not brilliant. And I personally don't like it because I can never tear it nice. So as you can see by the way that teared. So I'm going to give it a little snip and then tear it. So there you go, that is literally it. Okay, and now my photos are, sorry about the buzzing, that's my phone going nuts. My photos are there ready for me to move into my journal. So here is my journal. These are photos from July. Like I say, I don't do a lot, but was it July or August? August, I think. No, July. And what I do in my journal, I have a template in the front of my book, and this was left over from when I printed a couple up, and I've kept this. I've got a couple actually, and what I do is when I want to put photos in, I put those in place, and then I just leave a blank spot so that I know that the photo will go in later. This one, for example, now that is, and I write on it what it is in pencil. You can't really see it very well. It says squirrel pick. Right? We saw a squirrel and we got really up close to it. We have red squirrels here in the UK, well, where I live. So you literally just peel it off the backing paper, and it's got its own adhesive. So that is now all nice and sticky. And then you put it roughly where you want it. Now I'm just going to rub out the little corner markers I left myself. By doing it this way, it enables me to write around it without having to worry that I've left too much of a gap. And then you just line it up how you want it. And there you go. And I've got another one here. So again, I'll just rub out the little cornery bits. That's a photo of my little man asleep on the sofa after a hard day. See? And because it's sticky all over, you don't have to worry about it sort of peeling up, you know, because it's all covered in adhesive. I did 2 pictures on this day, this is good. This was a day out on the train. And my oldest and my youngest there, look, had a fantastic time. We went shopping and did lots of things. I didn't quite leave myself enough room there. Just squeeze that one in, look. Actually, I'm gonna a little bit of the tacky on there, but that will eventually come off. And that is basically, that is how I do it, okay? So I just go through, find where I was gonna put the pictures. Make sure that one's gonna go in there. Yeah. Okay, and then the last one is going in on my July memories, which I still haven't coloured in, and I probably won't ever bloody well get round to because I'm a bit useless like that. There you go. That's got a little bit of tacky on it because I put it a little bit too close to the other picture, so they ended up sticking to each other. And then you just throw this bit away. That's it. To refill that, it takes a cartridge. I've not had to do mine yet because, like I said, I don't use it that much. So, I think you just lift that bit up, and that's the cartridge there, and the waste ends up on this roll. So I'm not 100% sure how to change it. I assume it's pretty self-explanatory when the damn thing turns up. So yeah, and that's literally it. You just lift it and then that's it to put it back in. So yeah, really, really nice and easy. It's a toy though, to be perfectly honest. Like I said, a glue stick or a tape runner will do the job just as well. But you know, fun bit of kit in it, eh? Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a thumbs up. I'd really enjoy it if you did. And I'd really love it if you commented. I like interacting with my viewers. You know, please subscribe. And if you hit the little bell down there somewhere or other, you'll be notified when I upload more content. I hope you have a fantastic evening. Take it easy, guys. Bye.